Morning, folks. Kevin here. Well, it's January 1st, 2026. Happy New Year. Just dawned on me. Happy New Year. Good Lord. Well, we probably got about 3 inches of snow last night, but we've had intermittent high winds. It's up to 16 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Wind chill about 2 degrees. And little drifting going on in places. And so it's a typical beginning to the new year. Cold, got some work to do. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go gather up some of our compostable materials, bring them out to the leaf mold compost pile, get those deposited. Yesterday things went pretty well. In the morning I used Optimus Maximus to blow out the driveway and right between the workshop and the house. That worked out okay. But lots of rocks I brought up because we had that thaw. And then in the afternoon I worked out there cleaning up below the solar panels and out by the all of the shipping containers and the whole area, and it is just a big sheet of ice out there. And then I cleaned up around here with the Hulk too, and you can see some of the rocks have popped up above, so I won't be able to use the snow blower back here again, Optimus, this season. I've really got to work on this area. You can see where I piled it up over there yesterday. So although it doesn't look like much, we haven't been getting that much. It's kind of a blessing in a sense, but meteorologist says we can expect between 1 and 3 feet between now, which is today's Thursday, and Saturday morning. So fingers crossed and wrong, but that lake effect bands, as we talked about before, they can just hang out over us and all. So I think I'm going to go out and gather up the compostable materials, get it into the leaf mold compost pile for now, and the wildlife will get to a lot of that and get to eat that over the next 48 hours. And I think I'll try and just clean off what's on the solar panels. Good Lord willing, we won't get all that much snow. Anyways, I'm going to get started now. So some of the snow came off of the solar panels yesterday when I was using the Hulk to clean up from underneath here. So hopefully it'll go smoothly and easily. It's bitterly cold. Yeah, and the winds really do kick up.
Imagine there's no more division, just folks from sea to shining sea. No red or blue to tear us apart, one nation under God, you see. Imagine all the people shaking hands and pulling together. You may say I'm an old dreamer with dirt on my boots and calloused hands, but I ain't the only one. I hope someday you'll join us and America will be one again. Imagine cutting out the waste, no more fraud stealing from the till. Abuse gone like dust in the wind, honest work for every hill and mill. Imagine all the people living fair and square, no cheating game. You may say I'm an old dreamer with dirt on my boots and calloused hands, but I ain't the only one. I hope someday you'll join us and America will be great again. Imagine treating one another right, with respect like kinfolk ought to do. Dignity for every soul around, no hating, just me and you. Imagine all the people lending a hand when times are tough. You may say I'm an old dreamer with dirt on my boots and calloused hands, but I ain't the only one. I hope someday you'll join us and America will shine again. Imagine our leaders standing tall, guardians of the folks they serve, doing what's right without a fall, making sure we get what we deserve. Imagine all the people trusting in the red, white, and blue. You may say I'm an old dreamer with dirt on my boots and calloused hands, but I ain't the only one. I hope someday you'll join us and the world will live as one. One nation, we stand. Hand on my heart, morning light, stars and stripes coming into sight. From dirt roads, cities, and factory lines, from worn-out boots to suited ties. We were raised on hope, baptized in fire. Freedom wasn't free, it was earned and tried. Every name carved in stone, every sacrifice unknown. We remember what was given, so this land could still be living. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, one nation standing side by side, through the storm, through the sacrifice. Indivisible hearts aligned, with liberty burning in our eyes. Justice for all, we still believe. One nation, under God, still free. From Lexington to distant sands, freedom written by working hands. Farm fields, factories, sons and daughters answer the call across the water. We don't kneel to kings or chains, we stand tall through loss and pain. Different voices, one refrain, bound together, not the same. Still we rise when tested hard, under one red, white, and star. I pledge allegiance to the flag of United States of America, one nation standing side by side, through the storm, through the sacrifice. Indivisible hearts aligned, with liberty burning in our eyes. Justice for all, we still believe. One nation, under God, still free. Not perfect, no, but still worth fighting for, still worth bleeding for, still worth dying for. When we stumble, we don't quit. We bend, but brother, we don't split. This is promise, not a memory, a living vow for every generation. Freedom lives if we defend it. Faith survives if we remember it. I pledge allegiance to the flag, not just words, but a sacred stand. One nation tested by time, still holding the line. With liberty and justice we declare, for all who dream, for all who dare. One nation under God we say, we stand. United States. Hand on my heart, head held high. Under these colors, we rise. I remember sitting at the kitchen table, little letters swimming on the page, sounding out the words, but they wouldn't stay still. Felt like I was trapped inside a cage. Everybody else just seemed to get it, pages turning easy as they breathed. But every line I tried to read felt broken, and I wondered why it hurt to be me. Tears behind my eyes, I hid them well, smiled like nothing was wrong. But inside, I was screaming, where do I belong? I was a square peg in a round world, didn't fit, couldn't turn, felt so dumb, felt so small, like I'd never learned. Every word was a mountain, every page was a fight. I was lost in the daylight, scared of the night, but time kept on moving, and somehow I grew into a man who knows the truth, that the shape I was born doesn't define what I am. I'm finally comfortable being who I am. Teachers tried their best, but I still stumbled. Friends moved on while I stayed behind. Carried that weight like a secret shadow, whispering, you're less inside my mind. Felt different, felt wrong, felt defective, like the world was built for everyone but me. Spent years trying to sand down my edges, just to fit where I thought I should be. Nights I'd lie awake and wonder why it had to be this way. But somewhere in the struggle, I learned to say, I was a square peg in a round world, didn't fit, couldn't turn, felt so dumb, felt so small, like I'd never learned. Every word was a mountain, every page was a fight. I was lost in the daylight, scared of the night, but time kept on moving, and somehow I grew into a man who knows the truth, that the shape I was born doesn't define what I am. I'm finally comfortable being who I am. Now I look back at that little boy with kindness I never had back then. All the pain, all the fear, all the frustration carved the heart of the man I am. Those edges I tried to hide away are the strength that I lean on today. Yeah, I was a square peg in a round world, and maybe I still am, but I've learned to love the corners and stand tall where I stand. No more mountains too high, no more pages I fear. I found my own rhythm, crystal clear. Time kept on moving, and look at me now, a man who finally knows how
be perfectly me in this beautiful, broken world. I'm finally comfortable in my own world.
Well, I got the solar panels cleaned off, got the compostable materials out on the leaf mold compost pile. Hands are frozen. You know, trying to stay on top of keeping the solar panels cleaned off and keeping clean out below this. It can be quite an event, especially when you're anticipating a 4 to 3 foot of snow and all. Anyways, I think that's it for today's video, folks. I'm going to go inside and get warmed up. I got office work to do. And yeah, I just hope I don't run out of room out here to put the snow at the end of the solar panels. It's getting close out there now. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. If you have any comments or thoughts, please leave them below. And by all means, folks, stay safe, take care, and stay warm. Enjoy life. See you on the next one. Bye-bye now.